Fasting. Bees, do you still need motivation? First of all, let me explain what's motivation. Motivation is finding a purpose to do something you don't want to do. And you don't want motivation, you want discipline. Because when you got discipline, you can do anything that you're supposed to do, even when you don't feel like it. Because you know it's your duty. It's what you need to do. Like me, I create the person that I admire and I respect. Who do I admire? Who do I respect? I respect a person with a nice physique, with tattoos, a man that keeps his word to himself. That's the person I admire, and that's the person I respect. And so I create what I admire, and then that's what a lot of people need to do in this life, because life is like a video game. You can create your own character. You need to put the word, because nothing in this life is easy. It's hard. It's supposed to be hard. Otherwise, anybody will have the life of their dreams. But only a few can. The people that are strong enough. When you got a strong body, you got a strong mind. So you gotta think about that. Everything starts in the mind. When you control the mind, when you discipline, you can create, you can manifest everything in the outside. So let's start from the inside first, and fix everything. Build the discipline, build the body, and then let's keep going and never stop. I am the Fasting Beast.